start the commissioning of a hospital. You have to undergo all these stages. Then when it comes to the functions of hospital, these are functions of hospital that we primarily address: patient care, health education, medical research, employment, training. So when you come to functions, components, main services, staff services and auxiliary services. Main services, emergency. You cannot say, no, don't, I cannot treat here. The patient would have had a small fall in front of your hospital. He will be bleeding from his nose or he will be bleeding from his legs. You cannot say, no, I cannot treat. Go take him to a modern hospital. No, you cannot do that. Patients believe that it's a hospital and you have to keep up the reputations. The local patients, the local residents believe that it is a hospital. They don't think it's a Siddha hospital or Ayurveda hospital. They think it is a hospital. So provide basic care, handle at least whatever is possible from your side. And all these are, as you know, outpatient services, inpatient services. Then specialty clinics. Now this is a trend. Wherever you go to Apollo, they have specialty clinics, right? So you, as a administrator, we have to start specialty clinics. We cannot just keep on treating every patient. Whatever is the disease, you come to me, I will treat. No, that trend has gone. That is over. Pre-independence era. Now we are doing MDs. MDs are there for past 20-25 years. And still we are, even after MDs, we are doing only general practice. Right? So don't do that. You have MDs and you equip them, develop specialty clinics. That is very important need of the hour is we expect, as patients, they expect specialty clinics. And detoxification, Panchakarma and Tokradam theatres, Karanul department, leech department, all these are basic necessities that you need to meet. So this is one of the Panchakarma theatres that we have. It's fitted with AC, the need of the hour. They cannot just keep on complaining, no ACs during therapies. Yes, comfort is also matter. It also matters. So you can use 25, 26 in Chennai. Chennai we have only 3 seasons, you know. Yes, hot or the hottest. You cannot do the steam therapies in a hot environment. The patient will not come the next day. So try to manage all these things. And the other departments include yoga. You know, yoga is part and parcel of our systems. So you have to give importance. You have to have a hall. You have to conduct classes daily. It's happening at our place. And physiotherapy department, yes, you cannot just keep on believing only systems, only medicines. The patient is not helping himself, nothing will happen. To help himself to recover, we need to have a physiotherapy department. So these are the basic instrumentations what you need as a hospital in a physiotherapy department. Then these are the support services. Laundry. Laundry is very important. You should arrange for laundry. You cannot tell the patients to wash their clothes. Right? You should arrange for the laundry. Waste management. We will see in future slides about biomedical waste management. I will tell you that. Employee facilities, I will also tell you about that. Then auxiliary services, dietary, engineering, maintenance. You should have a person in your hospital, if at least a 30-bedded hospital, full-time dedicated staff who will handle plumbing and electricity, or you give a contract. Every time you call, the person will not come. He will take 2 days to come. And by the time you lose your valuable patient, the patient will keep on complaining, sir, என்னோட room la the toilet சரியா flush ஆக மாட்டேங்குது sir. 2 days he will see. Then what he will write? Immediately he will take Facebook and write a review. The hospital is not performing well. Nowadays we are in that age. If you see a small cockroach, immediately one snap, selfie with cockroach and Facebook update. Hospital, poor maintenance, poor hygienic condition. Yes, it happens. We have seen. So never give any options in that. Place of worship in the hospital. Documentation. When you come to basic, these are all available in, there is something called Clinical Establishment Act. Does anybody know this? Government of India, Ministry of Family and Welfare has developed Clinical Establishment Act, but it has not come to power in Tamil Nadu. The state government has not made it as a rule. That is made as a rule. Most of the quacks will be ruled out, and we will have minimum standards. You cannot just take a small room and start consulting. Just a minute. So here, when you see the dressing rooms and procedure rooms, minor OT, all these are needed in respective categories. All these are available in Clinical Establishment Act.nic.in. You can refer. If you want to set up a clinic, go to this, because in Tamil Nadu soon we will get this act, and that time you cannot complain, no, I have set up already, I cannot keep changing. No, do it, because they have given only basic requirements there. Wheelchair is very important. I am sure that most of our clinics do not have a wheelchair, and there is no path to take the wheelchair to come into the clinic. Arrange for it. The patients that we are going to see are all chronic diseased. Even though they can walk, they will not have the stamina to come. So you have to have a wheelchair and the staff for that. And these are the small instruments, nebulizers, pulse oximeters, otoscopes, tongue depressors. These are not present in any of our clinics. Just don't keep on not believing to say, only relying on the purest science. We can also do that. All the Naipuri and other things we can do. But these things are also needed. This is our OPD. And thorough clinical examination. Tell your juniors, tell your duty doctors to do a thorough clinical examination. Hope you know what this clinical examination tells you, right? What it tells, what are the equipments here? For what? Per rectal examination. This is often missed in all the clinical practices. Nobody does this. You have to do. The patient will get relief. And there is a famous saying, my Guru Dr. L. Mahadevan used to repeat this. If you don't put finger into it, you may need to put your head into it. Right? You may need to keep on thinking what it may be, what it is, how to treat. So, if you do a simple per rectal examination, you can rule out many diseases. I have diagnosed a patient of anal cancer since the doctors have failed to do a per rectal examination. It's being treated as a third-degree bile. Never do that. It's a simple method and it doesn't cost you anything. Signage. Keep the signboards very clean, very neat, eligible, very visible. All these things can be made as signboards. And when you come to electronic maintenance of records, this is the need of the hour. For documentation, yes, you need to have electronic maintenance. You cannot just keep on writing the prescriptions and give the patient. The patient will give you a call, sir, this thing is paining. What medicine should I stop? Then you will say to tell me all the medicines. You send the prescription to WhatsApp. You email me the prescription. What will happen? So you should have a medical record database with you immediately, and this has to be accessible through your cell phone. I think everybody of you will have a smartphone, right? See to that it is accessible through your smartphone. And this software we started in 2011 when I started my clinic, and there we did all the things and bugs, until now there are bugs only. But still, we are able to run this software now. It's developed by REMS Technologies, and we are able to maintain the databases, and we are recording adverse drug reactions also. You have to record that. You cannot keep on saying that our medicines are safe, because the companies we rely are not, all the companies are not like Jaya Pharmacy. All the companies do not prepare dedicated medicines, do commercial preparations. I had a patient, I had a representative. He said he will give Annababy Chanduram for 1 kg for 200 rupees. So I asked how it is possible. 10 grams becomes 2 rupees. How it is possible? He is not a medical man. So he said, it's simple, sir. You take parasulfate, put sulfuric acid, put it in a mixie, grind it, powder it in a dry mixie, pack it. So this is how the medicine manufacturing industry is now. You cannot rely on the medicine manufacturing industry. You can have your own pharmacy, as Madam said. You can rely on fresh herbs. You can rely on safety, safety and efficacious medicines you can prepare yourself. This is a software developed by Rudra, which is AVP. Hope you have known it. Arya Vaidya Pharmacy for the past. They have been developing this software for the past 12 years, and now they have come out for the sale. And I would say there is a shortcoming in this software also, because they have not integrated their clinic with the pharmacy. That we have done. When a doctor writes the prescription, he will know what is the stock, how it is available, what are the Farasruti, what we say as the benefits of prescribing the medicine. It will be displayed when the doctor types it. So that we have done. So IPD, general specifications, doctor's room, nurse room, kitchen, stretcher trolley, housekeeper, dirt utility. This is our IPD. This is the general ward, and this is the special room. These are the floors, rooms, nurse station. The records we maintain. Linen room is very important. When you plan, you have to plan for a linen room. You cannot keep the linen everywhere.